Every year, millions of birds embark on epic journeys, traveling day and night over oceans, mountains, and deserts. Why do they go so far? Migration helps birds escape harsh winters and search for food and safe breeding grounds. Some species fly over 10,000 kilometers non-stop, using the stars, the sun, and Earth's magnetic field to guide them. Bird migration is truly a natural marvel. Love documentaries? Subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories and in-depth content. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed this video. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more fascinating documentaries coming your way.